Let me ask you something. When was the last time you woke up feeling truly alive? Not just awake, but filled with energy, strength, and drive. The kind of power that makes you want to take on the day without hesitation. Most men don't feel that way anymore. They wake up tired, their mind feels foggy, their body feels heavier, and their motivation, the fire that once burned inside, has started to fade. But I want you to know something very important. That fire can be rebuilt. The energy system inside your body was designed by nature to renew itself. And today, I want to show you exactly how to rebuild your energy system naturally, without depending on pills, energy drinks, or quick fixes that only mask the problem. Before we dive in, let me ask you, how do you feel when you wake up each morning? Are you full of energy or struggling to find it? Tell me in the comments below because I want to hear your story. Every man's journey is different, but the destination, to feel strong, youthful, and alive again, is something we all share. I've seen countless men think their energy loss was just aging, but that's not the whole truth. The real reason most men lose energy isn't because of age. It's because their energy system becomes unbalanced. Stress, poor sleep, toxic foods, and overexposure to modern chaos drain your internal battery faster than you can recharge it. The good news? You can reverse it. You can rebuild your natural vitality step by step by working with your body, not against it. I want you to think of your body as an energy network, not just muscles and bones, but a living electrical system. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought runs on bioelectric energy. And this system depends on three pillars: cellular power, hormonal balance, and emotional state. When even one of these falls out of sync, your energy crashes. So let's rebuild it, one pillar at a time. First, your cells. Inside every cell in your body are mitochondria, your personal power generators. When they're strong, you feel unstoppable. When they're weak, you feel exhausted no matter how much sleep you get. Mitochondria need oxygen, nutrients, and clean blood flow to thrive. So if you want to rebuild energy at the deepest level, start here. I tell every man this: breathe deeper, eat cleaner, and move more intentionally. You don't have to do extreme workouts or live in the gym. Just walk outside for 30 minutes a day. Breathe through your nose, fill your lungs, and let sunlight touch your skin. Sunlight wakes up your mitochondria. It's one of the oldest and most powerful forms of natural energy renewal. Next, let's talk about fuel. Most men don't realize their energy system runs best on real food, the kind that existed before factories and processing plants. When you fill your body with whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, vegetables, and fruits in their natural form, you give your cells the materials they need to build more energy. Avoid the processed junk that spikes your blood sugar and crashes your mood. You're not just eating for taste anymore. You're eating to rebuild the system that drives your entire life. Now, the second pillar, hormones. Specifically, testosterone and cortisol, your power and stress hormones. They are like two sides of the same coin. When testosterone drops and cortisol rises, you feel tired, anxious, and unmotivated. But when you balance them, everything changes. You recover faster, you think clearer, and your energy stays high all day. So how do you do that naturally? Start with sleep. Nothing rebuilds your hormonal rhythm like quality sleep. If you're going to bed past midnight, staring at screens and waking up groggy, your body never gets a chance to recover. I recommend setting a simple goal. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Give your body a routine it can trust. The second key is stress management. When stress becomes chronic, cortisol floods your system and steals your energy. But you can take control of it through breath work, prayer, meditation, or simply spending quiet time away from screens. You don't need to eliminate stress. You just need to release it daily so it doesn't build up. And here's something most men overlook: physical touch and connection. Human connection releases oxytocin, which balances cortisol and boosts mood naturally. Whether it's your partner, your kids, or a close friend, meaningful connection fuels your inner strength. Your energy doesn't just come from what you eat or how you sleep, it comes from how deeply you live. Now, let's move to the third pillar: emotional energy. Because physical health alone isn't enough. Your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions can either fuel your energy system or drain it dry. If you wake up every day with worry, resentment, or regret, you're starting with a drained battery. The key is emotional renewal. Start your day with gratitude. It may sound simple, but it's one of the most powerful biohacks you can use. Gratitude lowers stress hormones, increases blood flow, and trains your mind to look for strength instead of weakness. Every morning, before you even check your phone, take a few minutes to name 3 things you're grateful for. You'll be amazed how much lighter and more energized you feel. Also, move your emotions physically. Don't bottle them up. If you feel frustrated, channel it through exercise, music, prayer, or journaling. The more you express energy, the more your body generates it. Energy wants to flow, not be trapped inside. Now, I want to talk about something powerful: your inner fire. Every man has it. It's that drive to protect, to create, to push forward, to win. But modern life has dulled it. We've become overstimulated yet undernourished. We chase external excitement but ignore internal strength. Rebuilding your energy system means reigniting that inner fire through purpose. Purpose is the highest form of energy you can experience. When you have a clear reason to wake up, something bigger than comfort or routine, your entire physiology shifts. You think sharper, move faster, and recover stronger. So ask yourself, what drives you? What gives your life meaning? When you reconnect to that, everything else starts to align: your hormones, your mindset, your habits. I've worked with men who went from total burnout to vibrant energy in just a few months, not because they took shortcuts, but because they rebuilt their foundation. They changed their lifestyle, reconnected with nature, healed their sleep, and rediscovered purpose. That's how you rebuild your system from the ground up. Now, let me give you a few simple habits you can start today. Drink more water. Dehydration alone can cut your energy levels by up to 20%. Eat more magnesium-rich foods like spinach, pumpkin seeds, and almonds. Magnesium is the mineral of energy production. Limit alcohol and processed sugar, which rob your body of nutrients. And every morning, spend 5 minutes stretching and breathing before checking your phone. That small ritual can reset your nervous system for the entire day. Also, take time to unplug. Modern devices keep your nervous system in overdrive. When you constantly scroll, your dopamine spikes and crashes, leaving you drained. Schedule time every day to disconnect, even just 20 minutes of silence or nature. You'll be amazed how quickly your mental clarity returns. And remember, rebuilding your energy system isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. Every small action adds up. When you nourish your cells, balance your hormones, and care for your emotions, your entire being transforms. You start to feel lighter, more confident, and more in control. You'll notice it in your posture, in your voice, in the way you walk into a room. You'll start attracting better energy because you've rebuilt your own. That's the beauty of natural vitality. It's contagious. When you operate from a full tank, you inspire others to do the same. Now, I want to remind you of this truth. Your energy isn't gone. It's waiting to be awakened. Every breath, every heartbeat, every thought carries the potential to recharge you. The key is to stop draining it through habits that disconnect you from your body and start rebuilding it through choices that align with nature. So today, I challenge you, don't just listen, act. Take one thing from this message and start now. Maybe it's walking in the morning sun, going to bed earlier, or cutting back on processed food. Pick one. Build momentum. Energy comes from movement, not from waiting. And as your energy returns, so will your passion, your focus, and your drive. You'll rediscover what it means to feel truly alive, not because of a supplement, but because you rebuilt the system that nature designed to keep you thriving. If this message spoke to you, tell me in the comments what step you'll start with today. I want to hear your commitment. Remember, you have everything you need inside you to rebuild your energy naturally. You just have to start using it. You don't need more caffeine. You don't need to chase artificial fixes. You need alignment between your mind, body, and purpose. Once those three connect, energy becomes effortless. Every day, your body is trying to heal you. It's working, even when you feel tired. Support it, respect it, give it the nourishment, the rest, and the focus it deserves. That's how you rebuild, not overnight, but steadily, powerfully, naturally. And one day soon, you'll wake up before your alarm, take a deep breath, and realize you've done it. You've rebuilt your energy. You've reignited your fire. And that, my friend, is the kind of power no pill can give you, because it's the power that was already within you all along.